Hey guys, so today is Friday. I'm in my abaya. My friends are making noise. So we are going to my friend's salon. We're going to check out my friend's salon today. Please, where is the salon at? We say tuna. So we are. I'm good. Before God, I'm the So guys, you're going to the salon is in Wuse 2 here. Thank you. Which is beauty salon. Oh my God, this is so pretty. So guys, we are at my friend's salon, which is Beauty Lounge. Yes. Oh my God, guys, this is so pretty. This place it just opened like a week ago, so we came check it out today. This is so nice. Let me show you guys. This is so pretty. This is like their reception area, I guess. You come, you reception, and you also get to do your nails here. Guys, let me show you. Let me show you. So now let's go inside. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad y más allá.
So guys, we are finally at Uche's Beauty Hair Suite. That's the CEO. That's Jessica. Oh my God, this place is so fun, and this is gifts. So wow, this place is so fun. Guys, can you see? Let me show you. You know I like enjoyment. Hello. You guys know I love enjoyment. So this is like my station. This is where I'll be spending my time. And they also do have like makeup lounge chairs, but I'll be waiting for lights. But come to Uche's hair. Am I pronouncing it right? Uche's Beauty Lounge. So this is my friend's place, people. Do your nails. I'm proud. See her nails. See her nails. She don't even know how to let me put her back. Can you?
Get pampered at Uche's Beauty Lounge.
Oh my God. This place is really nice. And Gift has been trying all week since we got here.
Pedicure here as well.
Yeah, my gorgeous hair.
See, she has been trying on all hairs here. Since we came here, she has been trying all the hairs in this place. And you guys, they have variety of hair.
And you can do your makeup. Everything is just a total package. Your makeup, your nails, your hair. your hair treatment. I'm also natural hair. So you guys, I'll treat you guys very well. I'll pamper you, get refined, get relaxed at Uchi's Beauty Lounge, you know, take pictures. Hashtag UVL Chic and follow us at Uchi's Beauty Lounge on Instagram. Thank you.
COO is talking. CEO is talking. See, this one is just here trying different hair. Shall be trying all the hair on the hair wall because they have the whole hair wall here. That's what he has to do. But guys, this is so fine. Aww. Peter Johnson of move the face mask so they can see you.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
How you doing?
So guys, that is Peter. You guys have seen him before on my vlog.
PJ
P
I don't understand.
PJ photography.
Total bill is 5K.
You do better.
Very
Yes. You have to be able to do everything. Someone can call you, I want you to come and do better. You must be ready to think.
What are you
The
saying?
interior decor for this place is so
100.
It is. Look at the lights, man. Look at that. Just zoom into that.
Ah, see, my hand is bad. So you guys, this place is really fine though.
Man.
My friend's beauty hair salon. He can't stop talking about this place. He can't stop talking about this place.
But see, man, you know when you enter a place and it just everything about it, just the details.
He's so in love with this place.
I am.
Oh my god.
I think details is very important in business, and the way she paid attention to
Every single
every
detail.
single detail. Impressive.
Even outside, just like the
People don't do
nail,
like
just the nail spa alone is so fine.
sometimes.
It's so inviting. You even want, even if you don't do nails, you want to sit down and make your nails.
Taking out studios.
I don't know anyone that will give it this kind of.
Hey guys, so today is Saturday. Since morning, I think it's currently like 2:30. It has been raining since like around 4 a.m. The sky is finally cleared up now, so I came to pick up Hawa and we are going to go do some shopping. Pretty lady, how are you? Oh god, she's touching my car. So guys, it started raining again. Me that was so happy that there was no rain, but see, I don't know if you guys can see, but it started raining again. It just wants to. It has been raining. It has been raining since morning in Abuja. I don't know why. So, since midnight, mid-morning,
like 4.
it's been raining. So let's go. So guys, everywhere we go to, we sanitize. Sanitizing babies. Oh, look at this one. This orange. That's 2. Several of it has 2, like 2. I don't understand. This is so weird. Yeah, we're good.
So you want to get the basket? Should I get it? Or no need?
just finished from ShopRite. That's how we're having. Only God knows what. She bought banana something. But we are done now. I got matter and drinks. But we're on our way home now. But I'm scared because today is Saturday and there's a lot of traffic on the road. Everywhere. So guys, it's 4 o'clock now and the sun is shining. Can you guys see outside? Like the sun is literally out. It's so hot. Oh my god guys, it's so bright outside now. Like it was raining since morning, but now it's so bright. Can you guys see? Like you can't even see anything. It's so bright. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like since morning everybody was just feeling, I'm just feeling very gloomy. But now we have sun and we look good. And there's a trailer behind me and I'm scared, so bye.